Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 25 animal sound. So now let's learn about unit number 25 revision. First, dog. D-O-G, dog. So, children, here we can see a photograph of dog, and you all familiar with dog. We all know about dog. Dog is one of the most popular animal in the world. It was one of the first animal to be domesticated or trained for use by humans. And dogs makes great pets and are man's best friend. So the dog is one of the most popular animal in the world, and it was one of the first animal to be domesticated or trained for use by human. And we all know that dog is a pet and man's best friend. Dog have a four leg, two eyes, two ears, one tail, and also dogs make a great pets and are man's best friend. So here we can see a photograph of dog and cannon. So dog live in cannon, and dogs have a four leg, make a bark, woof or off sound, and dog often chase cats, and most dog will fetch a bell or a stick, and dogs can smell and hear better than humans but cannot see well in color because they are color blind. So dogs are color blind, and dogs can smell and hear better than humans but cannot see well in color because they are color blind. And dog live in a cannon. So dogs have a four legs, make a bark and woof or off. And dogs often chase cats, and most dogs will fetch a ball or stick. And when a dog is angry, it growls. So when dog is angry, it growls. And dog live in cannon. So children, you all about dogs. You all know about dogs. So here we can see a dog bark or growls. So dog bark or growls. So children, you all understand about dog, and when a dog is angry, it growls. So now let's learn about new animal. Next animal, and it's a lion. 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 So here we can see a photograph of lion, and lions are the only cats that live in a group. You all know about lion, and you all are familiar with lion. Lion lion is a carnivorous animal and live in a group, and a group or a pride can be up to 30 lions depending on how much food and water
is available. So, female lions are the main hunters while they are out looking for a food. And the males guard the pride's territory and their young. So, lions are a carnivorous animal and they eat other animals' flesh or hunt other animals for a food. And lion have four legs, one tail and sharp teeth and sharp paws. So, female lions are the main hunters while they are out looking for a food, and the male guard the pride's territory and their young. So, lions are the only cats that live in a group. So, children, you all are understand about lion. When a lion feel hungry, eat. When a lion feels hungry, it roars. So, the lions and Dan. So, here we can see a photograph of lion and Dan. So, lion live in a den. Lions are large carnivorous mammals that belong to the family of felines and they have a tiny coat with a long tough tail. And nearly all wild lions live in a Southern Africa and Saharan Africa, but one small population of Asiatic lions exists in India's Gir forest. And Asiatic lions and African lions are subspecies of the same species. So there are two types of lion, African lion and Asian lion, but both are same species. And lion have a tough 20 coat with a long tough tail, and it's all wild animals, and lions are mostly in Asiatic lion we find in a Gir forest. So, childrens, when the lions are hungry or feel hungry, it roars. So, lions feel hungry, it roars. So, animals sound in when lions feel hungry, it roars. So, children, now we are going to learn next slide, and it's a cat. So, C-A-T cat. So, here we can see a photograph of cat. So, cat, we all know about cat. And cat is omnivorous mammals and vertebrate. So, it can be gray, black or white. Cat can be, we find gray in a color, black in a color or white in a color, and it has got four legs and his body is covered with a fur and it eats fish. So it can jump and run. And cat can't fly or crawl. It can jump and run. Cat can't fly or crawl. So cat is an omnivorous mammal and has got four legs, two eyes and two ears, and cat have a paw. And cat are very nice pets, so you can give them a cat food or and water, because only cats can drink milk. You can give them cat food and water because only a little cats can drink milk, and cats like climbing trees and catching mice and birds. So you should have a garden So cats, when you give them food and water, because small cats or little cats can only drink, and cats climbing trees and catching mice. So, when a cat want food, it meow or a purr. So, when cats need food or wants food, so cats meow. So, it's a cat sound. So, children, you all are understand about cat sound. So, now next, donkey. So the donkey, here we can see a photograph of donkey. So the donkey's physical appearance is similar to horse, except it has a rounder house and long ears. So a donkey can't be grey, brown, black, or roan with a different marking, strips, spots, etc. So its tail looks like a cow's tail, and the size of donkey varies, and the average height for the female is 54 inches, whereas a male in 56 inch. So a donkey is a mammal. So donkey is mostly used in working animals and hard working animals, and also we find in a different color in a donkey. So when a donkey wants food, or a donkey is brave, so donkey brave. Here we can see a donkey can brave. So now next, duck. So here we can see a photograph of duck. Here we find that duck has a flat and broad back, beak, which has a small holes on both sides. Here we can find a small and flat and broad beak, which has a small hole in both sides, and it can sift food from mud and water. Here we can find a duck is a green neck, then brown and white and black feathers, and duck can swim. So when duck is quack, here we can see a photograph of duck, and duck can quack. Okay, now next, monkey. 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 So here we can see a photograph of monkey. So a monkey is a next move or an opportunity or a problem which comes to us. So monkey management helps to transform from a manager under time pressure to an effective one. So monkey is a mammal, and also monkey have a 4 leg, 2 ears, 2 eyes, and 1 mouth. And monkey chatters. So a monkey chatters. So here we can see a monkey can chatters. Okay, now next, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. So here we can see a photograph of bird. So birds have feathers, wings. Birds can lay eggs and are warm-blooded, and many birds such as parrot and finch live on seed and fruit, and some birds that eat mainly seed feed their young on insects. youngs on insects. Birds have a very lightweight but strong skeleton. So birds can fly and birds have a feather and birds have a very lightweight but strong skeleton. Many birds such as a parrot and finch live in seeds and fruits. Some birds that eat mainly seeds and feed their young on insects. So, birds are also a social animals which participates in social behavior. So, birds live in a nest. Here we can see birds and their young ones. So, birds live in a nest and they are warm blooded animals and that can lay eggs and these eggs are usually laid in a nest and are incubated by a parents, and most birds take care their young for extended length of time after hatching. And birds have feathers and beak with no teeth. Birds have no teeth, but some birds have sharp teeth, and birds have feathers and beak. So, children, you all are understand about birds because we all familiar with birds, and birds, birds birds can cheep, sing, and tweet. So, birds can cheep early in the morning. So here we can see birds can cheep in early morning. We hear a sound of birds in a early morning. Okay, children, so you all understand about bird. So now next, horse. 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 So here we can see a photograph of horse. So horse are four-legged animals that have been around us human for a really long time. So, horses have around 205 bones in their skeleton, and horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years. Horses have a bigger eyes than any other mammals and that live on land. And because horse eyes are on the side of their head, they are capable of seeing nearly 360 degrees at one time. So, horses are four-legged animals and have been around us human for a really long time. And children's horses or a horse is a herbivorous animals. They all eat they eat grass grass and plants and vegetables. So horse is a herbivorous animal. So children, you all are understand about horse. So horse can sleep both laying down, sleep both laying down and standing up, and horse can live in a stable. So horse live in a stable and horses can run shortly after a birth. So domestic horses have a lifespan of around 25 years, lifespan around 25 years, and horses are a herbivorous means a plant eaters animal, and horses have a bigger eyes than any other mammal. So horses have a bigger eyes than any other animals and live on a land. So children, you all are understand about horse. So horse can knife. So horse can knife. Here we can see horse can knife. So now next, ship. SHEEP, ship. So here we can see a photograph of sheep. So sheep are among the most valuable of all domestic animals. And domestic animals are ones that have been termed for use by humans, and people eat sheep meat and drink sheep milk, and the wool is used to make a cloth. So male sheep are called rams and female sheep are called ewes. So sheep are closely related to goats. Sheep are amongst the most valuable or domestic animal, and domestic animals are ones that have been termed for use by humans. So, sheep eat grass and plants, and they often graze in a large group or a flock. So, sheep is also herbivorous, means plant eater animals, and they often graze in a large group or flocks. So, people raise a sheep for their meat, milk, and wool, and the meat of the adult sheep is called mutton, and meat from a younger sheep is called a lamb. And some people drink sheep milk, and it is also used to make cheese. So children, you all are understand about sheep. So now next slide, sheep bloods. So sheep's bloods. Sheep, sheep sound called bloods. Okay, now next, elephant. So here we can see a photograph of elephant. 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 So you all know that elephant is biggest land animal, and elephants are mammals of the family Elephantiaceae, and the largest existing land animal. So, three species are currently recognized: the African bush elephant, and the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. So, elephant is the only surviving family of the order Proboscidea. Extinct members include the mastodons. So, elephant is a biggest land animal and have a four leg, two big ears, one trunk, and one tail. And also, elephants are herbivorous animal or a plant eaters because they can eat plants, leaves, and grass. So that's why elephants are a herbivorous animal. So children, in today's lecture we learn about different animals and their sound. So elephants trump. Elephant sound called trump. So here we can see elephants are elephants. Both elephants are trumped. Here we can see both elephants are trumps. So elephants can trump. Okay, now next, animal sound. So, unit number 25, exercise animal sounds. So, fill in the blanks with the help of clues given in the box. Number first, when a dog is angry, it. So, children, you all are right with me. When a dog is angry, it growls. Okay, very good, children. Okay, now number two. When a lion feel hungry, it. When a lion feel hungry, it roars. Very good, children. Okay, now number three. You all are right with me, children. Number three. When a cat wants food, it blank. So, when a cat wants food, it meow. So, when cats wants food, it meow. Then number four, a donkey. So, a donkey breasts. A donkey breasts. Okay, now number five, a duck. So, a duck, yes, a duck quacks. Ducks can quack. So, duck sound call a quack. Okay, now number six, a monkey. So, monkey chatters. So, monkey sound called chatters. Okay, now number seven, birds blank early in the morning. So, birds can chirp early in the morning. Very good. Okay, now number eight, a horse blank. So, a horse knights. So, a horse can knights or sound called a knights. Now number nine, a sheep. A sheep blank. So, a sheep blats. A sheep blats. A sheep sound called a blats. Okay, now number 10 and last, an elephant blank. So, elephant and trumps. Very good. So, elephant trumps. So, children, in today's lecture, we learn about different animals and their sound. So, a monkey chatters, birds chirp, horse neighs, sheep blats, and elephant trumps. So, you all enjoy. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So, students, I will see you next time. And also, students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, students.